Good morning, children. Once again, welcome. This is Suresh Kumar Devangan. As discussed yesterday, you have seen the very first video that we started with the last lesson. And today I'm here with the second lesson, Lost Spring. Some of the children, since I've given my number, they have WhatsApp me. I have told them, you do one thing. You see all these 8 questions, they are there. In the last lesson, I said them. They practiced it. They have written the answer. What you need to do is, it's only 10-line answer. It's 6-minute video. Just watch it twice. See to it, learn it, and write it in your copy. And then get it checked by your teacher. This I had said. In the same connection, today I'm here with the second lesson, Lost Spring. Believe me, children, there cannot be more question than these. I'm reading out the question. Just see to it. Describe the life of Saheb and Mukesh as depicted in the last lesson. These are the two main character protagonists, Saheb and Mukesh, as depicted in the last lesson, Lost Spring. What is the title Lost Spring symbolizes? In the second question, we are going to discuss about the title. How does Anis Jung portray child labor in the story? Now, in question number 3, we are going to talk about Anis Jung, the author. What are the dreams of Saheb and Mukesh? Do they achieve them? Again, Saheb and Mukesh and their dream. What wishes they had? Then question number 5. Explain the irony in Saheb's name. As you know, the name of Saheb, it means the Lord of the universe. But he himself did not know it. On the other hand, he was not honor of himself. So that question we are going to discuss. How does poverty affect the lives of children in Simapuri and Firozabad? Again, these two places. Remember, children, we are going to discuss both the character, Mukesh and Saheb. We are going to discuss both the places, Simapuri and Firozabad. Second last, what message does the author want to convey through this story? And the last one, how does the story criticize societal structure and exploitation? Children, believe me, there cannot be more questions than these. So these are the 8 questions. And the best part is that I have prepared a unique answer for you all. Unique means only one answer for all these questions. So whatever the question may be, your answer is going to be the same. The only thing you need to do is find out where to start the answer from. Select it. So here we go. Lost Spring by Anis Jung is a powerful commentary on child labor. Start your answer directly from here, whatever question may be. Here you are mentioning not only the name of the author, but you are mentioning directly the theme. Commentary on child labor, poverty and lost childhood in India. Children, straight away start your answer with these. Definitely the evaluator is going to be impressed and he will be awarding you good marks for that. The narrative is divided into 2 parts. Saheb's story in Simapuri and Mukesh's story in Firozabad. Children, this PDF you are going to get in the link. In the description box, you can go. Separately, you will be getting this PDF. You can download it. You can write it in your copy. Once again, I am telling you, get it checked by your teacher. First, you learn it. Wherever you are all over the country, across India. Wherever you are watching it, just watch it. Get it checked by your teacher. And definitely, you are going to get pat on your back. These are going to be the last minute study, children, that you can do. Let's come back again. Saheb's story in Simapur and Mukesh's story in Firozabad. Saheb, a rag picker from Bangladesh, represents children trapped in the vicious cycle of poverty, where survival takes precedence over education and dreams. साहब के बारे में पूरा डिटेल हो गया. ये एज इट इज आप लिख सकते हो. अब उसका नाम वाली जो बात था, जो नाम वाला क्वेश्चन था, हिज नेम आयरोनिकली मींस लॉर्ड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, कंट्रास्टिंग शार्पली विथ हिज इम्प्रोवाइज्ड रियलिटी. ये हो गया साहिब के बारे में. अगर 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है तो मुकेश की बात करें. मुकेश फ्रॉम द बेंगल मेकिंग कम्युनिटी इन फिरोजाबाद dares to dream of becoming a motor mechanic. Challenging generational bondage. Challenging generational bondage. बच्चों ये लिख के तो आ जाओ, एग्जामिनर के भी दिमाग में ये वर्ड नहीं होगा. चैलेंजिंग, फिर से बोल रहा हूं, ध्यान से सुनो, आपने भी पढ़ते समय ये नहीं सुना होगा. चैलेंजिंग जनरेशनल बॉन्डेज, पूरा का पूरा जनरेशन के बॉन्डेज को चैलेंज करता हुआ ही वांटेड टू बी अ मोटर मैकेनिक. अच्छे शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है मैंने ताकि मार्क्स आपको अच्छे मिले. द स्टोरी एक्सपोजेज हाउ सिस्टमेटिक पॉवर्टी एक्सप्लॉइटेशन बाय मिडिलमैन एंड सोशिएटल स्ट्रक्चर रॉब चिल्ड्रन ऑफ देयर चाइल्ड. बच्चों के बचपन को वो कैसे खत्म कर रहे हैं. देयर स्प्रिंग, ये तो लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग हम बोल रहे हैं ना, उनके स्प्रिंग को, उनके जीवन को कैसे खत्म कर रहे हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप. दैट इज शोन इन द लेसन. The hazardous working condition in the Bengal industry cause health issues like blindness. Jung, Anis Jung, है ना? Anis Jung critiques both the oppressive economic system and the resigned acceptance of fate by adult. जो एडल्ट थे कैसे, यही हमारा किस्मत है, यही हमारा भाग्य, दिस इज आवर कर्मा, ऐसा आपने टेक्स्ट बुक में पढ़ा है. तो हाउ इजीली दे हैव एक्सेप्टेड इट, resigned acceptance of fate by adult. The narrative urges us to recognize that every child deserves education, safety, and the opportunity to dream, making it a powerful plea for social and child rights. Children, that's all. Exactly 7-minute video, even less than 7 minutes. So, my dear children, spare 7 minutes of today. Learn it, write it in your copy, and then get it checked by your teacher. And I will see you again in the next video once you complete this too. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good day. Take care.